I am back with something different. And as y'all see by the title, exactly what it is. This is the Cat8. Somebody that I know go by Trippy Mel. She told me about this product and I was like, okay, let me look into it, did some research, found it, got it, purchased it, and I was like, this looks interesting. But as y'all see on the first photo, it's not really showing too many details. It's showing like it's, you know, the color, and stuff like that, and the name and the feet, and little simple things. And on the second one, it's showing, let me read it. It's saying Cat5, it moves speed as a car. And it says the second one, Cat6, speed as a train. And the third one is Cat7, it moves like fast like a plane. And the last one, as y'all see the blue line going across, and what it is, it moves fast just like a jet. Yes. But this product really actually looks really cool, and I'm actually glad I got two of them instead of one. Yeah, I have one for my laptop and I have one for my PS4 system. So if y'all on PS4, add me. If y'all on PS5, you know, add me. If y'all on Xbox, you know, add me. I'll be on, you know, a lot of good games that we can, you know, team up and play together. You know, have some fun, troll online. And on the next one, it shows like the left side showing that it's gold, and the bottom part saying 0.24. And on the right side, it just gives you like little simple details, and the bottom part just showing you like what it is, etc., stuff like that, you know. But let's see. And the next one, this one right here, it's just showing like the colors, what's inside the wire, and the textures, the names, and, you know, little simple stuff. And on the one y'all see on the screen right now, it's showing that I guess like it's MHZ and 500, 1000, etc., and stuff like that. And they go more into like details. Oh, and this one is showing what all you can like connect it to, like, you know, your PC, your laptop, what else? Your PS4, your PS5, your Xbox, and and your router. Of course, you can set the wire up and put it where you want it to be. Oh, and here's another one. It's showing like the wire and everything, and where it can go, but it don't really show that much on here. I'm gonna show y'all in this one right here. It's actually a how should I put this? It's gonna like show you exactly step by step what's on the product, like what's inside of it, how long it is and stuff like that, and you know, little simple things. But y'all check this out. I'm about to put it on now. That was interesting. But damn. I'm really glad I pretty much invested in this. Hey Siri, what is my name?
You're Jagger. That's what you told me anyway.
Okay.
Okay, let me know if there's anything else I can't help you with.
What is today's date?
It's Tuesday, May 4th, 2021.
Thank you for letting me know.
No sweat.
Technology these days, man. Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
If you have 13 apples in one hand and 10 oranges in the other, what do you have? Big hands.
Why am I laughing? That joke was so corny. I'm just goofy. Oh my gosh. Dang. But let's get into this. Let me show y'all exactly how it looks. It's not really that, I can say, like heavy, but it's lightweight. Well, it's in a small box. Here you go. I guess these are it right here. Yup. Yup. These are it. There you go. That's the first one. Oh, wow. They got a little card up in here, too. That's nice. It's a little dusty, but it's okay. Dang, got a nice little feel to it. Yeah, this is nice. Look at that. Got a little plastic piece on there. Let me see. This is nice. I like this. Wow. This is really steady. I'm gonna take this off. Let me show y'all how long it is. There you go. Yeah, this is nice. Exactly the way it looks on the picture that I saw. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at that. Then we're gonna open the other one. I gotta throw that box away. Yeah, but how y'all been doing, you know? Y'all let me know in the comments, you know, what y'all been up to. What's y'all favorite food, you know? And, what TV shows and movies are y'all into right now? I'm trying to take this loose. Okay, here you go. They had this on here tight. They have this locked on here good. Oh my goodness. There we go. That was easy. And here's the other one, same thing. Yep. We're gonna take that off. So look at it came off easy. Excuse me. And there it is. The two wires, and they are 6 feet. And this is really actually long. It's really good. I gotta hook this up to my laptop, to my side of my laptop, to my game system, and hook the other wire up to my internet router box to my game, I think. Yeah, to my game system. And that's about it. Y'all get the video a thumbs up, share it, like it, leave your comment down below. Let me know what do y'all think about this, and are y'all gonna get one? If not, it's cool. Let me know what y'all have going on. What other type of like ideas or challenges y'all have, y'all want me to like upload and do what y'all want to see. And I can say May 6th or May 7th, I will be streaming and going live. So make sure y'all have y'all bell notifications turned on. Y'all don't want to miss out on this stream. I can say between those 2 days, I will be on, definitely. But I'm about to head out, chill, relax, and drink of my protein shake and just chill. So y'all take care, y'all be safe. Enjoy y'all shows and everything y'all doing, and make sure y'all are eating good, getting y'all water. I will catch y'all on the next one that I will be doing, I could say in a few days from now. I'm not really sure, but y'all stay tuned, and more videos on the way. Go to the playlist. If y'all missed anything, go and check out my recent video I uploaded. With me and Grandpa, I did a review video of the laptop. It's that one. And the other video I did, I forgot what the name was, but it's on there. It's the video, it's the very first video, the very newest one that's on there right now. So, I am out. I'll catch you in the next one.